Happy Friday, everyone. Today we are going to be learning all about rhyming. We have just started practicing rhyming in KB this week. So today we are going to listen to a few nursery rhymes that have a lot of rhyming words in them. Let's remember that rhyming words have the same sound in the middle, which means they have the same vowel sound, and they have the same sound at the end. So I want you to turn your listening ears on and try to listen for some rhyming words in these few nursery rhymes. And then we'll talk about the rhymes at the end of each one. Okay? Our first nursery rhyme is called Jack and Jill. So I'm going to read the four lines of the nursery rhyme, and then we'll try to pick out some rhyming words. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Okay, let's talk about a couple rhyming words here. The first word I want you to look at is Jill. Please take your pointing finger and point at the word Jill. Next, move your pointing finger over to the word hill. And I want you to say out loud, say Jill, hill, Jill, hill. Those two words rhyme. Jill has the sound I in the middle and O at the end. Jill. Hill has the sound I in the middle and O at the end. Hill. Jill, hill. Let's go down to the third line. Take your pointing finger and point at the word down. Say down. Next, move your pointing finger over to the word crown and say crown. Now say down, crown, down, crown. Those two words rhyme. Each word has the sound ow in the middle and n at the end. Down, crown. So we have in this nursery rhyme, Jack and Jill, the rhyming words Jill, hill, and down, crown. Let's take a look at a different nursery rhyme. I'm going to skip ahead to this one right here. Okay? This nursery rhyme is called Humpty Dumpty. I wanted to do this one next because the title of this story, Humpty Dumpty, has two words in it, Humpty and Dumpty, and these two words rhyme. So say Humpty Dumpty. Now say Humpty Dumpty. Both of these words have the same sounds in the middle and at the end. They actually have all the same letters. We just changed the first letter at the beginning to make them into rhyming words. So when we listen to this nursery rhyme, I want you to try to find rhyming words other than the words Humpty Dumpty, because we already talked about those. Let's go ahead and listen to our story, or our nursery rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Okay? So, besides the words Humpty and Dumpty, I want you to look at the end of the first line and the second line. You'll see, and point at it with your pointing finger, the word wall. Say wall. Then go down to the end of the second line and you'll see the word fall. Please point at it and say fall. Now let's say them together. Say wall, fall. Good. Wall, fall. The words wall and fall have the same sound in the middle and at the end, so they are rhyming words. Okay? There's two more rhyming words in this story. These ones are a little different. When you look at the word Humpty and Dumpty and wall and fall, those are really easy to see as rhyming words because they have a lot of the same letters in the middle and at the end. If we go down here and point at the word men and say men, then go down here to the word again and say again, we can find two more rhyming words. Men again. But look at the word men. Look at the word again. Do the words men and again have a lot of the same letters? Not really. That's because sometimes different letters can make different sounds, but they can still sound the same. So even though the words men and again only share one letter at the end, they're still rhyming words because they sound the same in the middle and at the end. Now, you did a really good job listening to a couple rhyming words from each nursery rhyme. I want you to try to start to think about words that you know that rhyme and words that you could put together to create new rhymes. Thank you for listening to our nursery rhymes, everyone.